welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to scan TikTok codes on TikTok. So this is an easy process to do. The first step is go to the application. And here in TikTok you need to go to your profile. And here in your profile you need to go to the superior bar, and specifically in the superior right corner in the bottom of these three lines. You click here, and after that you get three options. These the three options, you got creator tools, my QR code, and settings and privacy. So you need to pick in my QR code, and after that you get here your code for the people who scan that code and can see your profile and following if they want. And if you want to scan the code of the people, you need to go to the superior right corner in this same page here, and you can activate the scan for TikTok. So this is the process. This is the only process you need to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.